what you're looking at is part of the natural heritage, a unique part of the natural heritage of the state of North Dakota, actually. What you're looking at out there, and if you just take a minute to look at it, that is the largest fragment of unplowed prairie in the Red River Valley. It was prairie that was developed over 10,000 years after glacial Lake Agassiz receded. And it's the result of a thick layer of dark soil, and these soils in turn what they support is a tremendous diversity of plants. Over 230 species of plants have been recorded from this prairie. There's also a tremendous diversity of birds, insects, mammals are all on this site.
This is the mission of the University of North Dakota, to teach each other, to learn together, to advance our understanding, in this case, of our natural world. So this is a tremendous collaborative opportunity for us to understand grasslands ecology. Ecology is, in a sense, the understanding of how these various components collaborate. As we understand better the interactions between the systems within our plant and animal worlds, I think it helps us as human beings understand our role in managing and helping to sustain these systems for the benefit of the generations to come. Our school colors, go UND!
So Oakville Prairie is really special for UND. The university owns it. Professors do research out here, students do research out here. They work with landowners, producers in the area. It's just today becoming a wildlife management area. It means it's going to be open to the public now. It's easy to look out at this and to just kind of see flat nothing, but when you take a few steps in, we're in a ditch right now, but out there, you'll understand the grass starts coming up above your head even. And there's a lot more to it than meets the eye.
Several thousand years ago, 10,000 years ago or more, this was a rather large glacial lake. We see a lot of these beach ridges here, and right now I can show you one of the things that we kind of see. You see kind of a transition from this lower, wetter area out in the nose here, and we see a transition in the species here. We got a lot of little blue stem coming in. We got this Pieta morpha. This is a really nice legume right here. We start picking that up, and we can even just follow this on up the incline here, and we start picking up more of the solidago. We got, unfortunately, we got melilodus. But we see just a rapid change in the species composition as we just over that less than 10 meters distance.
This is a part of North Dakota's heritage, and this site and this place is a part of what it means to be North Dakota. From the meadowlarks all the way down to the soil nematodes and the plants that are there and the mosquitoes that are there, everything, right? It's all part of it, and I'm so happy to see so many people out here enjoying the resource and what's out here and really celebrating it.